Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Here's a puppy. He's climbed up a slide. Go! Go! A kitten's at the top, too. Go on, kitten. Slide down. It's so fun to play at the playground. The puppy and the kitten have gotten tired. Time to have a bite to eat. The yellow bowl has some puppy chow. But the milk in the kitten's bowl is almost gone. Oh, look! A truck's overturned. All the blocks fell out of its bed. And the milk truck is blocked on the bridge. It can't move forward. Helper cars, come out of the garage, quick! We need your help. This is an excavator. And a bulldozer is coming up behind it. Together, they're going to clear the road. Then the milk truck can get on its way. Do you hear? The helper cars are already here. The bulldozer lowers its blade. It's removing the scattered blocks. The excavator is ready for its mission too. It will roll the truck back upright. And yay! Let's load the blocks back into the truck. Up! Look how skillfully the excavator completes its work. The helper cars did the job really quickly. The milk truck is off to the farm to get some milk for the kitten. Oops! Some fresh, healthy milk goes into the tank. The milk comes from cows. The tank is full. Now it's off to the playground. Oh, kitten, come and have some milk. Enjoy! Oh, the excavator is unloading the blocks. After lunch, it would be fun to build a tower and a castle. Let's play! And the helper cars can rest some in the garage. They'll soon have some new work to do.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The large truck is carrying gravel in its bed. It's driving by a bus stop. Hello, puppy. The bus will be here soon. Oh, the truck went over a bump and some gravel spilled onto the road. Other cars drive directly over the gravel, scattering it in all directions. Some small stones even reach the bus stop. Here comes the bus. It stops, and the other cars drive around it. Oh, the stones are flying straight into the bus's windshield, and the headlight is shattered. Little car, look what happened. The bus needs help. It can't drive on like this. This is the helper car's garage. Knock, knock, knock. Who will help us today? A bus, a street sweeper, and a tow truck drive out of the garage. The helper cars head to the bus stop. The tow truck will take the broken bus to the repair shop. The blue bus will transport the passengers. Puppy, hop on. The street sweeper will collect the scattered gravel. There are a lot of stones, but it does an excellent job. Hooray! The road is clear. The tow truck and the bus go into the repair shop. First, we need to carefully remove the cracked glass. Let's do it with suction cups. Let's unscrew the broken headlight. A new one needs to be installed in its place. Which one will fit? Let's choose. Green. The headlight is in place. Now, let's find a windshield. There's nothing suitable here on the shelves. Where can we get a windshield? Any ideas? The red car has come up with something. It's a glass transporter, a large truck that carries big sheets of fragile glass. Excellent! We need to carefully take off a windshield with suction cups and put it on the bus. Perfect! The bus is like new. It's ready to take passengers again. Thanks for the repair.
The glass transporter loads the remaining glass back into its bed. And the bus has returned to the stop. Have a safe journey. Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
What gray clouds in the sky! The wind is very strong. The trees are swaying. An apple has fallen out of its box. The concrete mixer has to drive to work, no matter the weather. Oh, the trees are falling right onto the drum. The cement mixture from the cracked drum is spilling out onto the road and onto the truck's wheels. The concrete mixer is stuck. It needs our help. The little cars are playing soccer. But they've noticed something's wrong. Ah, the cement has gone hard. Little cars, look! Its wheels won't turn. The cement is hard as rock. The wind has quieted down. The little cars have gone off to the helper car's garage. Knock, knock. Come on out now. So many different cars are coming to lend a hand. One truck's got a chainsaw on its scissor lift. We'll also need the excavator, the bulldozer, the tow truck, and the crane truck to deal with the accident. Let's get this rescue operation started. Let's saw through the fallen tree. The crane truck will help move it away. The little cars are very happy. There's the crack the concrete mixture leaked out of. The concrete mixer needs to go to the repair shop. Oh no! Even the crane truck can't pull it free from the hardened cement. The excavator's jackhammer should get the job done. The excavator has broken through the hardened cement with its jackhammer. Now we can lift the concrete mixer up. Let's get it onto the tow truck. The bulldozer's going to clear the road. We need to lift the concrete mixer up onto a platform to fix it. Let's get rid of the broken drum and put a new one in its place. Let's take off the wheels the cement ruined. We'll put 2 new wheels on one side and 2 more on the other. All done. the concrete mixer can go and get some new cement for itself.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars have found lots of colorful blocks on the playground. What should they do with them? The yellow car pulls out a block. Hooray! Let's build a colorful tower. The cars bring the first row of blocks. First, let's arrange a circle on the ground. It looks like a sun with colorful rays. It's time to build the second floor. One, two. The blocks won't stay in place. They're falling over. We need cranes. The more, the better. Let's paint them in different colors to make things easier. The first crane will be red. The second crane will be green. The third will be blue. The fourth will be yellow. And the fifth, the most beautiful, pinky purple. The helper cars arrived so quickly at the playground. Do you think they will build fast too? First, let's move the blocks that aren't in the right places. Let's arrange them more evenly. The red crane lifts the blue blocks, and the green crane lifts the purple ones. They're going so fast! The tower turned out tall and very beautiful. Wow! Thank you. Can we go to the very top? Of course we can. After all, the crane is strong and powerful. And now come down, little car. It's dangerous to be so high up. Guess what the little cars will do now? Of course, play! The toy cars will pull out blocks one by one. Whoever makes the tower fall over loses. The beginning of the game seems very simple. The cars easily pull out the blocks. Blue, purple, green. But now there are fewer and fewer blocks. The tower is no longer as sturdy. The bottom layer cannot be touched anymore.
Otherwise, the tower will fall. The crane lifts the red car. Maybe if we pull out a block from higher up, the tower won't fall. It didn't fall. Still standing. It's still up. The yellow car tries to pull out a block from the bottom. The tower wobbles. Bang! The blocks scatter. The yellow car lost, but it was a lot of fun. The car really enjoyed it. Shall we play again? The cars really enjoyed it. Shall we play again? Time to rebuild the tower. Luckily, the little cars have the big helper cars here.